How wine is made in Georgia. Everything you need to know. Georgia winemaking process A to Z. Let me take you on a journey of winemaking from start to finish. Winemaking process is an interesting topic that fascinates my curiosity.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, natural tomatoes.
Yeah, natural, fresh.
Yeah.
Let me share a secret with you. Did you know that Georgians have been making wine for over 8,000 years? Oh yes, they have. This is how wine is made in Georgia, a country sandwiched between Russia and Turkey. The country also borders with Azerbaijan and Armenia.
You know, this okay? You tend to fall in love
Georgia
with this.
is an Orthodox Christian country and also a former Soviet territory. When I was given an opportunity to be part of the Georgian winemaking process, I just couldn't resist. Firstly, I had to arrive early for a voluntary grape picking session. This video will take you on a journey of winemaking, from grape picking to grape preparation, from crushing the grapes to making wine juice, and finally the entire processes of winemaking the Georgian way.
I volunteered for this grape picking and I'm really loving it. I'm enjoying it. It's great. It gives you a different sense of feeling. We're using a sharp knife, but that's my knife. We are going to make wine with all these grapes. I'll get to drink very fresh wine. Grape picking is such a lovely thing to do. Yeah, I find it very relaxing, you know.
Yeah.
Very, very
Enjoy.
Yes, thank you. I'm loving this.
I was invited to pick both white and red grapes and also taught how dry and semi-sweet wines are made. And in this video we are going to make red wine, and towards the end you will have learned the process of Georgia winemaking. We collected buckets after buckets of grapes, and that was exciting for me as a solo traveler.
Put them there.
I love learning about different cultures, trying their languages, sampling their food, and appreciating how different countries do things. One thing I've learned as a solo traveler is to always offer your services for free. The question is, did I enjoy this? Did I have a great time? Did I learn something? Did I understand the ways in which Georgian people make wine? Oh yes, I learned quite a lot on this day. That's why Georgia is always in my mind, always in my heart. You can learn a lot from Georgia, the country of wine. Let the process of crunching grapes into wine juice begin.
We are making
Baraka,
wine.
baraka.
Baraka, mama. Look how natural that is. This is the best wine you can ever think of. The grapes. They crush the grapes to make the wine. Wow. That's how you make wine.
Mami, dayıcıyla eskalidadı.
Now it's
your time. Yes, that's it. Go. One hand here, one hand here, then move.
I'm making wine. How interesting. Woo! I'm enjoying making wine. Red wine. Ready in 2 months.
a strong arm to do this. Crushing all the grapes. Wow. Wow, I crush the grapes, you know.
That's it.
Wow. That is beautiful. I want to have a look here. Oh, so the grapes are crushed now down there.
Okay, shall we take this and then you can look inside.
Our grapes, wow. That's how you make wine. So interesting. And after that process, they will put a lid to that and let it ferment. And then the wine should be ready in 2 months. No sugar, no additives, just natural grapes. These are red grapes. So I've just learned how to make wine. I'm probably gonna be making my own wine from now on. This is beautiful, amazing stuff. I really enjoyed this. This is lovely. It looks so easy when they're doing it, but it's knowing what to do, which really counts. You can see it's red wine. At the moment it's red grape juice, as you can see. And then once it's fermented, it will be red wine.
Now let's go in another place nearby here. Okay, let's start. This is a new.
Oh, so you can mix.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, after the machine, you have to mix it like this.
The first is difficult. Look, first is
Oh,
difficult.
the first is very difficult, yeah.
Yeah, to put in the dip.
Yeah.
Now look. Now it's easy.
Wow. Yeah, now it's easier, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so he mixes it with this stick is like a fork.
And every day in the morning
Yeah.
and in the evening need to mix it. Yeah.
Oh, you have to mix it every day, twice.
Every day. While you will not take only the juice, yeah, from the grapes, yeah. After 5-6 days, it depends on what kind of wine do you like, yeah.
Okay.
Taste it, do not drink.
Okay.
You can drink a little bit,
Okay.
not too much.
I'm not supposed to drink this. So I'm
because
going to
it's a
try it.
new wine.
Yeah.
It's not wine. It's a new and
Okay. I'm going to try this fresh made wine. It's still juice at the moment. Sweet, very
sweet, very sweet. Yeah.
Mm.
And after
It's
some
amazing.
days,
It still have the seeds.
it's 2 days.
Oh, this was put here yesterday.
Yeah,
It's
2 days ago.
This is 2 days old. It's very sweet, delicious. Well, I'm not allowed to drink all of this in case I end up with a big belly, so
Yeah.
I'll just drink a little bit more and then I'll leave it.
When you will drink it, it will start in your stomach.
Oh, it will ferment in your
And
stomach.
you will have much gas there.
Yes. Oh, okay. I'll end up with
it's
gas.
it's
It's a V shape. It's like a Y. Look at that. Wow.
it's a Chacha. Smell it.
Oh. Oh, that's Georgian Chacha.
It's with trees inside. Yeah, it's
Oh,
like
it's
a cognac.
How many liters of Chacha is that?
It's about it's more than 100 liters.
More than 100 liters.
100 liters.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, that's clear. Wow, Chacha. It
clear,
looks like
yeah.
water, but that.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
It's 2
Yes, 2 years old.
last year he made this bottle,
Oh,
but
he
the
made that.
wine is it stayed on grapes 8 days.
days.
And this bottle is for you.
Oh, oh my God.
This
Oh my
bottle
God.
is for you. We shall clean this and you will
Camera
taste
moment?
it with your friends.
Wow. Look at that. Didi Madloba, thank you very much. Thank you.
You are welcome. It's you.
I got a bottle of wine. Wow. Made in 2018.
2018.
And he sealed it himself as well.
Yeah, of course.
Soso here made this wine. He gave me this lovely bottle because he's starting a small wine company for the family. If you want to buy fresh wine from the grapes that I helped pick, let me know. Then make sure I link you up with Soso right here. And he's a cardiologist. If you have problem drinking this wine, don't worry, he'll fix your heart as well.
White wine, and he's writing.
Which one is white wine? This one is white
This
wine.
is Yeah, it must be in a dark place. Yeah?
All right.
And it must be cool place. Yeah?
Okay, a dark, cool place.
Dark, cool place.
And what's the name of this wine?
This wine is Khashmi Saperavi.
Oh, Khashmi Saperavi.
Saperavi of Khashmi. Every wine needs to took another bottle, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's make how to say circulation.
Okay,
The air must.
To circulate the air, you have to change bottle from one bottle to another.
To another bottle, yeah.
And
then the end, it makes some dust, like a dust, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And when you are putting in another, it becomes clear and clear.
Yes. Because if you look at the bottom here,
Yeah.
there's residue left. So they're gonna leave that there.
You look there.
Oh, you see the residue there of the wine. And they're gonna move it to another bottle. Wow.
It's a Saperavi.
Oh, it's a Saperavi as well.
And it's written how many times he replaced this wine from one bottle to another bottle. Yeah.
There's a lot of science that goes into it. That's amazing stuff. Well, after picking grapes from the vineyard, we are normally invited to a Georgian home for a pork barbecue as a way of celebrating the success of the day. Unfortunately, I am allergic to pork and all red meat, but Georgians had a surprise in store for me. They brought me fresh fish and prepared a fish barbecue just for me. We had a lovely meal accompanied with Georgian traditional music. This was truly an amazing experience, and one that I will treasure for as long as I have a breath left in me. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, like, and share this video in all your social media. Bring a friend to the channel.
Otor